there was a Buddhist monastery. In there, a teacher was teaching lessons to his disciple. There was a black cat going here and there, jumping and making hell in the classroom. And it was disturbing the whole class. So the master decided to tie this black cat in the nearby pillars. He called one of his disciples and asked him to tie this black cat near him in the pillar. And after the class is over, the teacher told the disciple to release this cat, remove the cat from the pillar. And this has become a daily routine. Daily this cat will jump in the class, and daily this disciple will tie this cat in the pillar. And this habit, before the master class starts, the first work of the disciple is to tie this cat. And after this teacher died, after many years, the next teacher came to this monastery for taking the class. That time, the first thing he did, he asked one of the disciples to bring one black cat and tie in the nearby pillar. One of his disciples asked the teacher, "Teacher, what is the reason you tie a black cat near your pillar?" The teacher said, "This is how my master used to start the class." And this is how this story is a very significant story, because today all the spiritual process, all the spiritual learnings has become like this. So it is with awareness you need to decide what is needed and what is not needed, and the right process has to be created for the spiritual growth, for the present condition of the people's mind, body and energy. உயிர் வணக்கம்.